network, the concept of collaboration. Please welcome with me Michaela Wolf. Brand alchemist, champion of women in business, Telegraph contributor, featured in Forbes and Harper's Bazaar. She then founded Awarded with Feed Communications, right? Which we will learn about more pretty soon. A big welcome to Michaela Klerk. Together, Michaela and Michelle will talk about the importance of the network of the gatekeepers. This floor is yours.
We have 20 special minutes together, and I want to use this time to start this time by asking you, the audience, 3 questions. So please raise your hand. Who of you would like to win more luxury customers? Okay. Raise your hand. Who of you would like to increase the turnover and their profits? Quite a lot of people. Good. And now the third and the last question. Who of you is open to get out of their comfort zone and to try something new to win and keep luxury consumers? Wow, that's very powerful. I'll call that transformational energy. It's really cool. So let's keep that good energy in the room. And yeah, old ways don't open new doors. And as Albert Einstein said already, problems can't be solved by with the same thinking in how we've created them. So what does it mean for us? If we are looking for more luxury customers, if we are looking at increasing our turnover and increasing our profits, we can't do it in the same way how we've done it so far. Is that correct? Yeah. So that's why we are all here today, and that's why Michelle and I have brought a new approach with us today, and that's the GateKeeper Strategy. Next slide. Yeah. The GateKeeper Strategy is your unique and future-orientated approach to win and to keep luxury customers. And the magic behind it is that it's totally unique to your business, so nobody can copy it. It comes from the inside out. And that's the beauty. I've briefly been introduced to you before. My name is Michaela Wolf. So I'm a luxury marketeer, and I have over 20 years of international experience. I have founded my luxury marketing consultancy in London a few years back, but as you can hear, I'm Austrian. I'm from Tyrol, so that's where my roots are from. And I have specialized in the luxury consumer, in understanding the behavior of luxury consumer, but also influencing it successfully, whilst building long-term, sustainable, and future-orientated brands. Brands I've worked with include Wedgwood, Swarovski, George Jensen, also the Vienna Toy Sport. It's been a beautiful journey. And in nearly all of my projects, I have included the Gatekeeper methodology, which is a tool for your brand success. And that's why I would like to introduce my colleague and associate, Michelle Klerk, to you today, because she has a signature Gatekeeper methodology, and she's my partner in crime in nearly all of my projects.
Thank you, Michaela. Thank you very much for having me, everyone. So I'm Michelle Klerk, and I'm a brand consultant. I specialize in connecting brands with customers that they ordinarily may not have been able to reach, or were aware that they were able to reach. Because a lot of the time we have all of these gems sitting not far from our reach, but it's just about trying to find the right methods to activate in order to capture them. I have worked in the luxury industry for a very long time, quite similar to Manfred. I have a strong hospitality background, and I've been very fortunate to work on some incredible brands like LVMH, Wedgwood, Rolls-Royce, all of whom have either utilized or I've helped them implement this Gatekeeper strategy. And also drawing from what you were saying, Sergey, I also run a women's network because I, having worked in the luxury industry, have realized the power and importance of women as consumers. So 5 years ago, I started a network called the Women's Chapter, which is a networking and event platform for high impact women. We have 2,500 women in the network now, all on an invitation or application only basis, and we've just launched a digital platform that will allow us to expand globally. And that was very much born on the demand from my luxury clients around wanting to understand how they could better connect with female consumers and the power, and harness the power that those women have as both consumers and brand ambassadors.